Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to highlight your mouse cursor on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Cursor Highlighter. Click Get to start installing. Once it's installed, click Launch to open the app. Now, your mouse cursor will be highlighted with a yellow circle. If you want to turn it off, just right-click on the app icon in the taskbar and select Exit Highlighter. Now, if your computer doesn't have the Microsoft Store, don't worry. Just open Google and search for Cursor Highlighter. Click on the Microsoft Store link in the search results, then hit Download to install it just like any other software. Method 2. Using a custom cursor file. This method is lighter and doesn't require any software installation. You just need to download a cursor file and apply it manually. First, click on the link I've put in the video description. There, you'll find different cursor styles to choose from. I'll download one as an example. Once downloaded, open the mouse settings by going to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse, Additional Mouse Options. A new window will pop up. Click on the Pointers tab, then hit Browse and find the cursor file you just downloaded. Click Apply, and that's it. If you ever want to go back to the default cursor, just click Use Default. So that's two easy ways to highlight your mouse cursor on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like to support the channel. See you in the next video.